how much should you actually spend on an egg incubator? Because some people are fine with the cheap ones, but others end up returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Onshu 18 Egg Incubator. The Onshu 18 Egg Incubator caught my eye right away, especially with its price tag of $59.98. It's designed to hold up to 18 standard eggs, making it a great option for those looking to hatch chickens or ducks. If you want a reliable incubator with advanced features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why it solves your problem. This incubator is equipped with precision temperature control, maintaining the ideal hatching temperature with real-time monitoring. An advanced airflow system ensures that heat is evenly distributed, which is crucial for healthy embryo development. Plus, the auto-regulated humidity system means you won't have to worry about manual refills, allowing you to focus on hatching rather than constant checks. Given that over 3,000 people have bought this in the past month, it's clearly popular. Now, some reviewers mention that the lid can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it gently, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's about finding what works for you, and this incubator has the features that many want. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who wants a straightforward incubator that does most of the work for you. Skip this one if you need to hatch larger quantities or require a more industrial setup. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the temperature control of the Onshu isn't quite what you're looking for, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Apto Hatch Pro 12. The Apto Hatch Pro 12, priced at $44.99. This one immediately stands out with its compact design and a capacity for 12 eggs. If you're looking for something that balances functionality with affordability, this is worth checking out. What really caught my attention is its advanced digital control system that displays real-time temperature and humidity. This means you can keep a close eye on the conditions without any guesswork. The automatic egg turning every 2 hours mimics a hen's natural behavior, which significantly boosts embryo development. Plus, the humidity control system requires only 1 to 2 water refills for the entire incubation period, seriously cutting down on maintenance. With 2,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among new hatchers. However, some users reported that the 2-hour turning cycle can feel a bit excessive. But honestly, if you're after consistent results, this feature actually ensures your eggs are well taken care of. It's not a deal breaker, especially if you want healthy, hatched chicks. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a user-friendly incubator that's easy to manage. Skip this one if you're planning to hatch a large batch at once. Given its features, it's a great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a little more flexibility.
Product number 3, IBKink's 12 Egg Incubator. The IBKink's 12 Egg Incubator comes in next at a price of $39.99. I was really impressed by its features right out of the box. If you want something that's straightforward yet effective, this product deserves your attention. This incubator boasts constant temperature and humidity control with a user-friendly LED display. This means no more guessing whether your eggs are in safe conditions. The automatic egg turner works every 60, 120, or 180 minutes, allowing you to customize it based on your needs. It also has an external water refill system, so you don't have to open the incubator to maintain humidity. This is a game changer for keeping conditions stable, especially during critical hatching stages. With over 1,000 units sold, users seem to appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. However, there were a few complaints about the size being a bit small for larger eggs. But look, if you're hatching standard chicken or quail eggs, it's perfectly adequate and won't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you're a first-time incubator user who's looking for something easy to manage. Skip this one if you want to hatch bigger eggs or larger quantities. For the price, it delivers a lot of value. Now, if that size worried you, the next option has a bigger capacity and more advanced features. Product number 4, Trio Cottage M12H. The Trio Cottage M12H priced at $39.99. This one caught my eye with its sleek design and efficient features. If you want a compact incubator that packs a punch, you should consider this model. This incubator features automatic water replenishment, which takes the hassle out of manual refilling. The LED display for temperature and humidity is easy to read, allowing for precise adjustments. Plus, the 360-degree transparent view makes it easy to monitor your eggs without disturbing them, which is crucial for development. The automatic egg turning mimics natural hatching conditions, improving your overall hatch rates. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly resonating with users. One downside some users noted is that the insulation isn't as strong as they expected, but honestly, that's a minor concern if you keep it in a stable environment. Plus, the features it offers can make up for the small issue. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly incubator that still has solid tech behind it. Skip this one if you need something super robust or specialized. For the features, it's a good deal. Now, if you're looking for something with a larger capacity, the next product might just be the right fit for you. Product number 5, Harris Farms Nurture Right Incubator, priced at $156.80. Right away, this feels like a premium option with its larger capacity and advanced features. If you want a top-notch incubator that supports a wide range of eggs, this is worth considering. This model can hold up to 22 chicken eggs or 12 to 18 duck eggs, which is impressive. It features automatic turning, temperature, and humidity control, which makes the hatching process a lot easier. The 360-degree visibility means you can watch your eggs hatch from any angle, which is honestly just fun to see. Plus, the induced airflow system ensures consistent heat distribution, critical for successful hatching. With over 900 units sold, users appreciate its reliability and performance. However, the higher price point is a downside for some. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about hatching eggs and want a dependable machine, it might be worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you need a larger capacity and want an incubator that does most of the work for you. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need to hatch a small number of eggs. Given its features, it's a solid investment. So to recap, we've got the Onshu for beginners, the budget-friendly Apto, the compact IB King Kicks, the versatile Trio Cottage, and the premium Harris Farms. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.
Each of these incubators has its own unique benefits. If you're just starting, the Anju and Opto are great for beginners. The IBK-NX offers straightforward usability. The Trioco Cottage suits those looking for a compact option, while the Harris Farms is ideal for serious hatchers needing capacity and reliability. Take your pick based on what you need most.